In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to navigate through Shopify and Squarespace to troubleshoot and resolve SSL or TLS errors on your domain. If you've been experiencing any issues with website security certificates, this guide should help clear things up for you. Let's delve right into the process. First, you'll want to start by heading over to your Shopify admin panel. Simply open your preferred web browser and type in the URL, which will take you to the Shopify admin dashboard. This is where you manage everything related to your Shopify store. Once you're there, look towards the left side of the screen where you'll find various options laid out. From this menu, you want to locate and click Domains. This is an important step because checking for any pending SSL errors here will form the basis of what we do next. After accessing the domain settings on Shopify, we're going to switch over to Squarespace. Go to your Squarespace account by visiting accounts.squarespace.com and logging in. Within Squarespace, you're also going to navigate to the Domain section. Here, it's essential to ensure that your domain settings are correctly configured to avoid SSL issues. Any discrepancies here could potentially lead to persistent SSL or TLS errors, so a careful review is worthwhile. Now, once you've reviewed your settings on Squarespace, we need to tap into Shopify's help and support for more specialized guidance on SSL errors. Navigate to the Shopify Help Center, which is a fantastic resource for any issues you may be experiencing. There's a search bar at the top, which is your best friend here. Go ahead and type in SSL error to fetch the relevant articles and support documentation. In the search results, look for an article titled, "How can I fix SSL or TLS errors on my domain?" This document will provide specific instructions tailored to addressing these kinds of errors, including potential causes and solutions. The information you find here may guide you to resolve these issues independently or determine whether further action is necessary. As you go through the recommended solutions, be prepared for instructions such as waiting for a specified period like 48 hours for changes to take effect. This waiting period can be crucial, as sometimes these updates need to propagate to take full effect across the internet. By following these steps thoroughly, you should be well equipped to manage and resolve SSL or TLS errors associated with your domain, ensuring a secure experience for your website visitors. Thank you for following along, and I hope these instructions have helped you to feel more confident in managing your storefront. If these issues persist or you require more in-depth assistance, don't hesitate to reach out to Shopify's comprehensive support team for further guidance.